How to get live subscription on TikTok? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get live subscription on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Obviously you have to go to your TikTok app and now may click on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Now on top of your screen there is the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines. And the first option is creator tools. So let's go tap in it. And in the middle of your screen, there you can see the live subscription. So there are some conditions that you must have in order to get this subscription. Obviously have live access, go live for at least 30 minutes in the last 28 days, and have at least 1,000 followers. I don't have that option, so for that reason the start button at the bottom of my screen is on gray, but if you have those conditions it's gonna appear on blue. In that way you can receive more earnings, build and stronger connections, and share your unique voice. And that's it. So this is how to get live subscription on TikTok. Thanks for watching.